Welcome to the series of seminar videos of the Germanische Heilkunde by Dr. Hamer, MD. This seminar tutorial is about the sensible biological special programs of connective tissue and adipose tissue. The task of these SBS is at the end of the healing phase, to achieve a functional enhancement through cell proliferation. I will explain the symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase. Using several case studies, the various conflict contents, such as self-esteem violation, etc., will be made understandable. The objective is to be able to correctly interpret symptoms such as furunkulose, scar keloid, lipoma, cellulitis, elephantitis, etc. Learn more about this in the seminar tutorial.